morning to all. I am Mrs. V. Ilavarasi, Assistant Professor of Physics, ADM College for Women, Nagapattinam. Today we are going to see the topic about Introduction to Nanotechnology. What is nano? Yes, is good. Nano means very small or tiny particles. Nanotechnology. Nanotechnology is one of the most emerging technologies in the world today. Nanotechnology is a part of science and technology about the control of matter on atomic and molecular scale. This means things that are about 100 nanometer across. Nanotechnology includes making products that use parts this small, such as electronic device, catalyst, sensors, etc. A nanometer equals to 10 power minus 9 nanometer or 1 millionth of millimeter. Generally, these production techniques are considered nanoscale when its size is less than 100 nanometer. Who proposed nanotechnology? Nanotechnology. The concept nanotechnology was first proposed by Richard Feynman on 29th December 1959 in his talk entitled There is Plenty of Rooms at the Bottom at the California Institute of Technology, deriving its name from the Greek word dwarf, meaning small. Nanotechnology is commonly defined as the combined art of science and technology of small things. National Nanotechnology Initiative in US has defined the scale range for nanotechnology as 1 to 100 nanometer. Feynman, in his famous talk, he described a proper way in which we were able to manipulate atoms and molecules that might to be formed. He won the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1965 for his concept of nanotechnology and nanoscience. Nanotechnology is very diverse, ranging from extensions of conventional device physics to completely new approaches based upon molecular self-assembly in developing new materials with dimensions on the nanoscale to investigating whether we can directly control matter on the atomic scale. Next we see the nanotechnology principle. Nanotechnology is fast growing area of researchers in all over the world. The reason of series attention is a wide spectrum of possibilities to improve the quality of life. Nanotechnology is manipulation of matter on an atomic, molecular and supermolecular scale and is positive approach for manipulating things at molecular or atomic level to create unique materials with enormous potential. It offers opportunities to design smaller, cheaper and faster devices which can perform better at nanoscale than the same materials which are at a large scale. Because of the wide range of potential applications, it is common to use the term nanotechnologies or nanoscale technologies. Next we see the comparison of nanomaterials. Nanoparticles have very large surface area compared to their volume. So they are often able to react very quickly. This makes them useful as catalyst to speed up reactions. Nanoparticles research is currently an area of intense scientific interest due to a wide variety of potential applications in biomedical, optical and electrical field. Next we see the various approaches of nanotechnology. There are two approaches to the synthesis of nanomaterials, bottom-up approaches and top-down approaches. In the bottom-up approach, molecular components arrange themselves into more complex assemblies, atom by atom, molecule by molecule, cluster by cluster from bottom-up approaches. For example, growth of a crystal, nanoscale device are created by using larger externally controlled devices to direct their assembly in top-down approaches. We see the diagram of various approaches for the preparing nanomaterials, top-down approaches and bottom-up approaches. For preparing nanomaterials, synthesis of nanomaterials or nanoparticles by colloid dispersion in an example of bottom-up approach. Hybrid approach is an approach where both these techniques are employed. Lithography is an example in which the growth of thin film is bottom-up method, whereas etching is a top-down method. We see the different type of nanoparticles. What is nanoparticle? A nanoparticle is usually defined as a particle of a matter that is between 1 to 100 nanometer in diameter. The term is sometimes used for larger particles, micrometer to 100 nanometer, or fibers and tubes that are less than 100 nanometer in only two directions. At the lowest range, metal particles smaller than 1 nanometer are usually called atom clusters instead. Nanoparticles are usually distinguished from microparticles 1 to 1000 micrometer fine particles because their smaller size derives very different physical or chemical properties like colloidal properties and optical or electric properties. Being more subject to the Brownian motion, they usually do not sediment like colloidal particles that conversely are usually understood to range from 1 to 100 nanometer. Nanomaterials. What are nanomaterials? Nanomaterials are cornerstones of nanoscience and nanotechnology. Nanostructure science and technology is a broad interdisciplinary area of research and development that has been growing explosively worldwide in the past few years. It has the potential for revolutionizing the ways in which material and products are created and the nature of functionalities which can be accessed. Next we see the types of nanomaterials depicting the anatomical organization of the brain at different types of inorganic and organic nanomaterials. Inorganic nanomaterials, for example, quantum dots, nanowires and nanorods, due to their interesting optical and electrical properties are used in optoelectronics. Moreover, the optical and electronic properties nanomaterial, which depend on their size and shape, can be termed synthetic techniques. We see that different types of nanomaterials. Nanoscale example. Nanoscale material are defined as substances in which at least one dimension is less than approximately 100 nanometer. A nanometer is 1 millionth of millimeter, which is approximately 1 lakh times smaller than the diameter of a human hair. Natural and artificial world can be categorized into micro region and nano region. In nature, there already exist nanoscale materials, and long before scientists began studying nanostructure in laboratory. Next we see that classification of nanomaterial. The nanostructure have completely different density of electronic states predicted by men in a box type models of quantum mechanics according to their basic dimension x, y and z in space. Nanostructure of nanomaterials can be classified into 0 dimension, 1 dimension, 2 dimension and 3 dimension. The nanoscale materials can be in 1 dimension, for example surface film, 2 dimension, example fibers and strands, or 3 dimension, example nanoparticles. This diagram shows the classification of nanomaterials, 0 dimension spheres and crystals, 1 dimension nanofibers, wires and rods, 2 dimension films, plates and networks, 3 dimension nanomaterial.